Bueno, mi gente, buenos días, good morning from Estocolmo. Today is July 23rd. It's around 9:30 a.m. and we are getting ready to go to our next destination, which is Copenhagen in Denmark. Very pleased with our visit right here in Stockholm. I hope you like the videos that we did, and this is our next go. All right, our morning routine: packing the bike, getting all the stuff that we got. We gotta put the flag on. Tenemos que colocar la bandera de Sweden. Estamos aquí en el downtown. La verdad que es un país extraordinario. Y claro, por supuesto, muchas gracias Sweden por todo lo rico que le hemos pasado aquí. Así que aquí va, colocando la bandera de Sweden. Exacto. All right, my impressions of Estocolmo. Un país muy lindo, muy organizado, y la transportación pública muy buena. Para pasear, la transportación pública la utilizaría, o si no, rentar esos scooters que algunas compañías se dan por un día, 50, 90, 100 minutos. Y nosotros las utilizamos ayer para andar y nos rindió bastante. Si no, no hubiera sido capaz, porque la verdad que hicimos bastante, recorrimos la ciudad bastante. Vamos a dar una vuelta con la abuela para tomar fotos con la abuela, porque no la hemos sacado a pasear, y de ahí seguimos para Copenhague. ¡Vámonos!
Conducir una motocicleta de Estocolmo a Copenhague es un viaje pintoresco y agradable que cubre aproximadamente 400 millas.
The Oresund Bridge is an impressive engineering feat that connects Denmark and Sweden, specifically linking Copenhagen, Denmark, to Malmö, Sweden. It is a combined railway and motorway bridge tunnel system that spans the Oresund Strait. It features a cable-stayed design, which is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Construction began in 1995 and was completed in 1999. The bridge carries both road and rail traffic. The upper level is for cars and buses. The bridge is approximately 8 kilometers, 5 miles long, with a total length of the bridge tunnel system being around 16 kilometers, 10 miles. The bridge transitions into an artificial island, Paberholm, which then connects to the Drogden Tunnel, completing the crossing. The bridge is a vital transportation link between Denmark and Sweden, facilitating daily commutes, trade, and tourism. It symbolizes the integration of the Nordic region. The bridge tunnel design was chosen to prevent disruption to air traffic and to allow ships to pass through the Oresund Strait. The toll for a single crossing of the Oresund Bridge is $42. Welcome to Copenhagen is a beautiful city with so much to offer.
Bueno, mi gente, y we are here in Denmark, in Copenhagen, y este es el room. Este sí que está bien pequeño. Este sí que está mucho más pequeño. Out of all the Scandinavian countries, I believe Denmark is the more expensive one right now. So far, it is. And it is raining, and we're going to go and see what we're going to get something to eat. We stayed at the hotel called Wake Up Hotel. It was the cheapest, but look at this. It's very small. The room, the bathroom, but it is what it is. We are here on vacation for a day and a half, and we are going to enjoy it. So, off we go to see what we can find to eat somewhere around here. Hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. This is the city of the bicycles. Bueno, mi gente, estamos aquí desde la ciudad de Copenhagen, en Denmark. La parte que vamos a visitar es hacia allá y el canal está hacia este lado. We didn't get a good chance to go out today at all, but the canal is somewhere around that area. The old town is around that area. So our location again for this city is premium, so we don't have to use the bike or nothing, and it'll be a lot better because expensive country as it is. Check this out. These machines will charge your cars. People will leave them in the charge. I seen them all over the place. 300 kilowatts. That's a lot of power on that car, and it's charging. See, 22 or 36. People will park them and they'll leave them there until tomorrow, and off they go tomorrow. I don't know how many miles. All right, so as I was saying, as you can see, what do you guys see different? We have night. We do have night. I am so happy that we have a night. As we go farther south, our night is closer and closer. It's about 10:30 at night time, and yesterday we were in Stockholm and it was light. Right now it's dark. So our day, pretty much, you know, nothing to it. We took some pictures in Stockholm, rode for about 7 hours, got here, rain. Went to eat pizza at this place, all you can eat place, and that was it. Now we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna stay here for tomorrow. So tomorrow video should be a lot better than today, because today is only roads and more roads and a little bit of here and there. Oh, we crossed that huge bridge between Sweden and Denmark, and it was pouring, it was windy, it was crazy. I got some nice videos out of it, and that was it. We got here to this hotel called Wake Up Copenhagen, which was the least expensive that I found for the location where we are, because, you know, we want to be somewhere close to, and we're gonna rent the scooters tomorrow as well. So we got 2 hours, and we'll do the same thing that we did in Estocolmo, and have fun, and then go from there. So hopefully today's video will not be as bored as I think it will be, but that was the day for today, July 23rd, 2023. Until next time, later.